Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Brave browser. Okay, you actually have two options. So the first one is by resetting Brave settings, and the second one is by resetting your search history, browsing data, and so on and so forth. Okay, so first one, reset Brave settings. Go to the top right, click on three horizontal lines, now click on settings right here. Now in the left sidebar, we have reset settings. Okay, just click on it. Now click on reset settings to their original defaults. Now go ahead and click on reset settings. It says here the action will reset some Brave settings and Brave shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies into other temporary site data. Okay, just click on it and once done, you're good to go. Now the other option is for a more thorough reset. Okay, so go ahead over to privacy and security right here. Click on delete browsing data, go to advanced, and change the time range to all time. Select all right here, tick it all, and once done, click on delete data. And after that, you would want to go back to this page and click on clear Brave ads data if you want to. Okay, that's basically it. Or if you don't want to mess around with this profile, you can just go ahead and create a new profile. Okay, under here, the three horizontal lines, we have more tools. Now click on add new profile. Okay, click on it. And as you can see here, this is now a fresh start. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.